Okay, so on number 13 on the second page, we have an equilateral triangle that has a side length of 8. So this is 8, and this whole thing here is 8 because it's equilateral. Find the length of the triangle's altitude, which is this right here. Right, so that's what we're trying to find. And if you notice, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle whenever you draw the altitude. So my two rules are the long leg is the short leg times the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2 times the short leg. So we want to get the altitude. What we always need to get first is the short leg. So that's going to be this one down here at the bottom, which is half of the entire length. And if you think about it, it's half of the hypotenuse. So divide 8 by 2, and I get 4. So this piece here is 4. Then to get the long leg, it's going to be using this equation, multiplying by the square root of 3. So long leg equals 4 times the square root of 3. So that's it. That's my answer for this altitude right here. Yeah? Yay. That's a smiley face. Okay. Number 14. This one's a little trickier. Find the perimeter of a square, the perimeter of a square is 10 centimeters. Find the length of the diagonal. So if this is a square, all these are equal. And perimeter means you add them all up, right? So let's just say this is S for side. Then all of this is going to be S, and the perimeter would be S plus S plus S plus S, also known as 4 times S, right? Well, if the perimeter is 10, then the side length would just be 10 divided by 4, right? So 10 divided by 4 is 5 halves, which is the same thing as 2.5. So that's going to be the length of my side here, but it wants the length of the diagonal. So this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Remember that isosceles right triangles are 45, 45, which means that the hypotenuse is equal to the leg times the square root of 2. So I'm looking for my hypotenuse. I've already found that the leg, which is this side here, is actually 2.5. So it's just 2.5 square root of 2, which you could also write as 5 halves square root of 2 or 5 square root of 2 over 2. Make sense? Question mark? Wonderful. Okie dokie then.